Hello everyone, I'm Abby, and today I'm going to talk about ethology, which is a scientific study of animal behavior. More specifically, I'm going to talk about why animals form complex social groups. According to Charles Darwin, a renowned evolutionist and biologist, animals tend to behave in a way that is survival of the fittest, natural selection. But we see today in nature that many species of animals and other organisms form these cooperative groups. We see that what makes these animals cooperate is when the benefits of cooperation outweigh the cost. For example, instead of just one antelope or deer, we will have two that would increase vigilance and reproductive success. But what about those times when an animal behaves altruistically? That is, when an individual behaves selflessly for a group, such as when a meerkat draws the predator's attention away from the group. A scientist named William Hamilton developed a theory about this phenomenon called the kin selection theory. In this theory, an individual, I'll use this tall meerkat here, will be more likely to help a close relative, such as this short little brother meerkat, than any other individual or group. This should make sense because relatives share genes. So if an individual cannot reproduce, then they will want to indirectly increase their evolutionary fitness by enhancing a relative's reproductive success. In order for altruism to occur, scientists use the inequality called Hamilton's rule, which seems to dictate whether animals will demonstrate altruistic behavior or not. The R stands for the relatedness of the recipient to the donor. B represents the additional reproductive benefit gained by the recipient, and C equals the reproductive cost to the individual performing the act. If R is multiplied by B and is greater than C, then the individual most likely will demonstrate altruistic behavior. On the other hand, if R times B is less than C, the altruistic behavior will not occur. Some examples of altruistic behavior in nature, besides the ones mentioned, are found in both eusocial colonies and in vertebrate groups where more than two individuals care for the young. Bees and ants are examples of eusocial groups, and some species of birds, such as the Florida scrubjay, are examples of vertebrate groups that use helpers that are related to them to care for their young. This concludes my video for today about social cooperation in animals and the theory of kin selection. I hope you found this video informative, and thanks for watching.